Hello friends, in this video I will show how to log in to WordPress. So there are some easy and simple way to log in your WordPress admin dashboard. Type your domain name like in my case it's pcnotes.com. Then press enter. Now add wp admin slash. So with your domain name you have to add this one slash wp admin slash. Then press enter. Now type your mail and password, and if you don't know mail, so type your username and password, then click on login. So this is the simple and basic way to login your WordPress admin dashboard. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more useful videos.